Today, in this video, I'm going to explain how to fix Fortnite mic not working on Xbox Series. Press the X button from the controller. Now, go to audio icon from the bottom. Then, turn on the headset mic. Now, headset volume bar to up. Then, headset chart mixer to middle. Then, mic monitoring to the down. Now, press the start button from the controller. Then go to settings. Then go to audio icon from the top. Now, go to voice chat. Now, select it as friends only or select it as friends and teammates or everybody. Then go to voice chat method. Then select it as push to talk. Then apply the settings and go to back. Now press the X button from the controller. Then go to home. From the top, go to settings. Then go to devices and connections. Then click on controllers and headsets. Now click on bottom three dots. Now click on updated, update now and next. By following these steps, you can fix Fortnite mic not working on Xbox Series.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.